Hey guys, so what I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to show you how to design for and run the vinyl cutter. So we're going to do all of our design in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to pull it up, and right here you're going to click Create New. So you're going to create your canvas right now, and we're going to create an 11-inch by 10-inch canvas, and it's going to pull up and it's just going to be this blank canvas, and that's considered your design space. So the person who I'm creating this for, they want something very simple. They want just two letters, PK. So I'm going to come right over here to T for text. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on the canvas, and then this weird word, I guess that's the type of font, is going to pop up. I'm just going to delete what they have, and I'm going to type on there what this person wants, just a plain PK, and I'm going to click on this selection tool, this arrow that's hollowed out, and it's going to allow me to resize and move my letters. So I'm going to make it nice and big. And right now I'm zoomed in 112%. I'm just going to narrow it down to 100. And I'm going to come back here and make this a little bit bigger. And the person who I'm designing for, they actually wanted this kind of normal font, so we don't have to do anything real fun with the font. Just nice and simple is what they wanted. So I am going to try to fill up this entire white canvas though. So I'm just dragging. I'm going to come in just a little bit with the K. Come up just a little bit more. Over just a little bit more with my P. Alright, and that just about fills up my entire design space. So, what I'm going to do now is I find that if I create outlines along my text, it cuts a little bit better. So basically we are turning this text into a vector. So I'm just going to right click, and right here where it says create outlines, I'm going to click on that. And so it's created outlines along my text. Okay, so now I'm just going to save this file. So I'm going to say File, Save As, and I am going to drop it into my file so I can find it real quick. And I'm going to title it, I'm just going to title it exactly what it is so I can find it. So it's called PK. And I'm going to save it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I've got to open up what's called Graphtec Pro, and that is our vinyl cutter software. So I'm going to come right over here to Graphtec Pro Studio. I'm going to open that up. And it's opening. And so I have, I've already created the file, so there's no need for me to go recreating anything. So I'm just going to open up my file. I'm going to come over here to File, and I'm going to click on Open. And I've got to go get it out of my folder. So here I am. And I titled it PK, so I've got to drop it on down to the P's. Let's see, LMNOP. I'm looking. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to double click on that. There it is. Okay, now I've got to send it to the vinyl cutter, but before I can do that, I'm going to go over here to File, and I'm going to come down here to Cut Plot. Because remember, the vinyl cutter is actually cutting out with a really fine, sharp needle, basically. So I'm going to click on Cut Plot. there it is. So what's going to happen now is, because we are going to be cutting this on heat press vinyl, we've got to flip our image. So it's going to look backwards. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this little F right here. And I flip that, so it is going to be ready to go. So we've done everything basically that we need to do on the computer. And now I'm going to take you on over to the vinyl cutter, and I'm going to show you how to get that started.